Windy City Wire has created a complete field system solution designed with the goal of saving our customers time, increasing their productivity, and reducing labor costs. In this video, we will demonstrate how using our RackPacks in combination with our specially designed transporters can transform how technicians manage and install cable in the field. Windy City Wire has transporters for every situation or installation. All of our transporters are designed so RackPacks link together securely, enabling you to move your cable around a job site in the most efficient manner possible. Choosing the right transporter for the job will transform how your team members approach each project. For small-scale installation usages, the Grab-N-Go Lite is the perfect solution when only 3 to 4 RackPacks are required. It's compact, lightweight, handheld, and can pull up to 4,000 feet of cable. Or choose to upgrade to the standard Grab-N-Go, which is a more rigid and robust version of the Lite, and can also handle up to 4,000 feet. For larger projects, we have 2 transporters to consider, the RackStak and the RackTrak. Both are durable, lightweight, and collapsible, and are easily maneuverable around any job site. The RackStak is versatile for most installation usages and can accommodate as many as 12 RackPacks, or over 6,000 feet of cable. And the RackTrak, our largest transporter, can hold as many as 18 or more RackPacks on a single cart that can pull over 12,000 feet of cable. The RackTrak, with its locking wheels, provide for some of the smoothest and tangle-free cable pulls your electricians and technicians will ever experience. The side hole is an important feature of the RackPack, because every side hole on every RackPack will align perfectly when placed side by side. They can be secured to one of Windy City Wire's transportation devices, creating additional mass, allowing for a smoother, more efficient cable pull. Because RackPacks are all designed to have the same height and depth, simply load your RackPacks on a transporter aligning each of the side holes, then run a rack rod through and secure in place with a locking pin. Our transporters provide extensive mobility, giving you the most efficient way to move your ready-to-pull cable from location to location. The RackPack field system allows one technician or electrician to do the work of many, and is only available from Windy City Wire. The RackPack is designed to enable perfect cable pulls every time. The unique construction of a spool suspended by 2 rigid end caps allows for smooth tangle-free cable pulls. Each RackPack has 3 perfect pull tearaways, one on the front and one each on the bottom and top of the box. The perfect pull tearaways are perforated for easy removal. Executing a horizontal pull is straightforward. Simply remove the perfect pull tear away from the front of the box, then locate the end of the cable and begin pulling. When combined with our transporters, you can link together multiple RackPacks to pull 2 or more cables all at once. What makes the RackPack even more special is our one-of-a-kind vertical pulls, only achieved through our RackPack system. Begin by removing the tear away on the top of the box and again locate the end of the cable and begin pulling. Because of the 3rd tear away on the bottom of the box, you can stack several RackPacks vertically and feed the cable from the lower boxes through the upper boxes, bundling several cables together into one smooth action. We cannot stress enough how important it is to use one of our transporters in combination with our RackPacks in the field. The productivity gains achieved by this system means your projects become significantly more profitable. There's nothing like the RackPack field system solution when it comes to moving and pulling your cable, no matter which transporter you choose.